Welcome to our raffle. We're about to spin for 3 awesome prizes: shirt and hat. We're going to spin for the AK King Boss level, AK dash $349 value. And of course, that R2 mini infrared machine valued at $2,799 value. But before we go ahead and spin, what we're going to do is talk a little bit about our workshop last night. Our pothole hunting workshop laid out the roadmap to success in building a 6 and even 7-figure business in the pothole hunting industry. There's potholes everywhere. They need to get repaired, keeping pavement safe. You can go out there and take advantage of the riches in the niches. We showed you how throughout that workshop. We also announced the Pothole Army last night, a cohort of 20 people where we're going to literally navigate 8 weeks of building your business with you. We're not going to teach you, we're going to do it with you. And so if you have interest in joining, we do have a few spots left. Click the link down below and you can go ahead and sign up to that Pothole Army cohort. We look forward to seeing you on the inside. All right, let's get started. We're going to do the hat and shirt giveaway. The AK hat and shirt giveaway is going to happen right now. We're going to spin that wheel and we're going to go ahead and pick our lucky winner. Let's go spin that wheel right now. Here we go. All right, tick, tick, tick. Here we go. The lucky winner of the hat and the shirt is Brian Gelbert. Congratulations, Brian. You've won an Asphalt Kingdom hat and shirt. We're going to send that right out to you. Our brand is actually 23 years old, so we appreciate you wearing it, and congratulations on the hat and shirt. All right, we're going to move on to the next one, which is the AK-King Boss level subscription. Let's go ahead and spin that wheel. $349 value. We cannot wait to get you onto AK Dash and show you on the inside. Spin that wheel. Let's go. Let's rock and roll. Here we go. An AK Dash is the complete business solution that allows you to manage and grow your business in an organized fashion. Big congratulations to John Flores. You won the AK-King Boss level. Congratulations. Our AK team will be in touch with you to make sure you get onboarded. Again, congratulations. All right, we're going to move on to the big grand prize, $2,799 value. This is the R2 mini infrared machine that allows you to heat up the asphalt, do your asphalt patch presses, making $125 per press. We have clients out there making $2,000 to $4,000 a day doing this exact repair. Let's go ahead and spin that wheel for the grand prize, the R2 infrared machine. Here we go. Spin that wheel. Let's get it going. All right, the big grand winner of the R2 mini infrared machine. Congratulations, Todd Bush. You have won the R2 mini infrared machine. Man, oh man, I'm excited for you to go crush it with your infrared patch repairs. Let's go ahead and move into the final thank you moment of being a part of our pothole hunting workshop. We're so excited that you joined us. All the people that signed up for this, 275 people, and we had so many people that were live on that workshop as well that were all entered in this raffle. Now remember, for any future workshops, you want to make sure to attend live because that's where you get the giveaways. It's the people that show up that get rewarded for that. So we look forward to seeing you on the next workshop. And for now, happy pothole hunting. Go make some money out there. There's lots of potholes to fill. Let's go.